Hello, my name is Dimitri, and in this video I'll show you how to fix problems with Google Chrome browser. If you have any issues with Chrome, you need to clear cache, disable extensions, reset flags, update your browser. Let's do those steps now. First, we're going to clear cache. To do that, in the top right corner of your browser, click three dots, select More Tools, click Clear Browsing Data. This will open up a new window. Under time range, make sure all time is selected, select cookies, select cache, and click clear data. Once you have cleared your data, go back and check to see if you are still having your issue. If you are, the next step is to disable extensions. If you are still on the screen, you can click extensions to the left, or you can click three dots, more tools, extensions. This will bring up a new tab where you can see all the extensions that are installed in your Chrome. To disable an extension, click the toggle button and that will disable the extension. Disable all extensions, go back and try to see if this has fixed your issue. If it has not, the next step is to reset your flags. To do that, click on the address bar, type Chrome : // Press enter. This will bring up experiments window. Click reset all on the top right. Click relaunch. After this, go back and try to see if your issue has been resolved. If you are still having an issue, you need to update your Chrome. To do that, click three dots, click help, and click about Google Chrome. This will bring up a new tab. It should say Chrome is up to date. If it does not, then you need to update your Chrome. If your Chrome is up to date, then you need to click Get Help with Chrome. When you click on the link, it will take you to Google Chrome Help. Google Chrome Help is ran by volunteers who are knowledgeable about Google Chrome and are passionate about answering your questions. Click on Community, click on Ask Now, and this will bring up a form. Please fill out this form completely, provide as much information as you can about the issue you are having, and list any steps that you have tried to resolve it so far. If you can, provide a screenshot of the error you are having or exactly what issue is it that you are having. Fill this thing out completely and click Submit. Somebody from Google Chrome Help will respond to you and you will receive a notification in an email about the answer. I really hope this will help you resolve your issue, and thank you very much for watching this video.